Here we go. This will be an experience. This is Mcfadden's sky dance thing. Rocco playing. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a lovely view though. I like the view. But this is going to be a little bit of fun. Oh, I think we're getting a bit faster now. Oh, we're kicking up the speed. Oh no. I feel like this is going to be like the most traumatic experience of my life. Like, I might actually... Ah! Oh, not too bad. It's just an outward facing booster. We're grand. Oh wait, no, this is not. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! 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 Jesus, mate! Whoa! Ah! Oh my goodness me! Ah! Oh my goodness! Ah! No way! No way! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Train station upside down! Oh my goodness! This is petrifying! You don't see this stuff in Northern Ireland! Ah! For a reason! Ah! Whoa! Jeez! Ah! That's absolutely insane! That's insane! Oh! Whoa! We're going even faster! Ah! Jeez! Oh my goodness! Ah! Oh my goodness! I think I'm so dying. No, we're not! Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh, whoa! I think I'm so dying. No! Oh my goodness, no. Oh! Oh, but I had some view though. Yeah, we're slowed down. Oh my goodness, that was mental! And we're at the top. Bye. That was mental.